guys, it's me, Cat42 Gaming. I'm finally learning how to work this. We're gonna be playing some refinery. I'm gonna be starting over because some of the stuff I've had in that has been a little OP. We're gonna be doing this blue type of sketch. And guys, if you hear my brother in the background, it's because he's playing with his friends. Say it, you're not gonna like me. Yeah, I finally found out how to work this thing. You wanna know how? Sorry guys, but you have... You have to literally have the game that you want to play pulled up, and then you can play it. Guys, never mind. We're joined in already. Guys, look at us compared to this base. Hi. I don't want to get hit by you guys. Look at us compared to that. Blah, blah, blah. Blah, blah, blah. Yes, guys, we have guns. We have drones. Boop, boop.
Can you hook me up with one of your modders? Sounds really nice to me. Whoa, okay, there you are.
Full powered brakes. Sorry guys, this is gonna be a new channel. Yes. Wreck 'em. Track 'em, wreck 'em. Just wreck 'em. Murder him. Murder him. Murder him.
Make sure he stays grounded.
So guys, pew. Oh, we don't have a drone. Pew. Shoot the drone. Okay.
That's the one for me.
Yeah. Guys, I've played some of this to kind of know what I'm doing here, but right now we just need resources. You see the stuff? Oh, now you want to play? My resources die. No, they're all drones. Which drones Shrek us. Meow. Release the drone. Ah, ow. Ow, don't hurt me. Don't Shrek me. Okay, guys, let's get to where we get to. Let's cap this. Cap it. Cap it. Cap it. Cap it. Cap it. Damn it! This is gonna be impossible to cap with you fuckers around. Yes! Take my stuff and make me resources. And now we're gonna press 3 and look. We have this stuff, but if we go to upgrade, we can buy P. We have only 300 P this cost. We can just spam this for now. Now we have... oh, it already gave me the interceptor. Yeah, blah, 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 blah. Blah. Sorry guys, we are be trying to record this just a little bit better. Oh, yes, please. But see guys, this is the thing about building this. It's impossible. See guys, I want, no, not missile launchers, drones. Point sentence. That's my friends.
You will! Oh my god!
My friends have
been.
True, Dustin. Very true. No, Dustin, I'm I'm not kidding. It spends more time and more mutual than any of your cars. Oh, this one's down. Boop. But there we go. I mean, you really have room to do a ton of stuff. But I don't want those. Let's try some of these plasma cannons. No! How can I undo that? Okay, yeah, that's it. Let's test. Test right here. Okay. What the? Oh, it's testing it. Oh, okay. Not one. Is this like epic battle happening? Round 2, 1.
Okay, I'm not doing it.
Douche. Yeah. I think we're good. Okay, now to backspace. Backspace. Now we're gonna go to upgrade. Builds.
Yeah, I just thought to myself.
And
I know. Hey,
easier to just do this. Sorry guys, this is gonna be my first YouTube video. So if you like it, I need more like it. Shooty defense though. I could have just done this. There's no other any other ones of them on here. Okay, now we hit backspace. Whee! And we hit exit. Save. Now, I don't want the interceptor. Call it interceptor. Guys, I'm just gonna place random stuff to keep track of it. No. Exit. Out of 3. My point defense guns have not loaded in yet. People haven't much. But buddies, now we have more guns. Now we can just like use everything. It's a good. Well, it's time to leave. In other words, we're in their territory, so bye bye. Fuck you. Frick you. Just frick you all. Don't want to be in here. Ow. Not a broken down station. Don't you think of it. Man, fuck.
Why'd you go murder me? Oh, what's up, hey, Tiger? Come on in. Boy, are you sweet?
Damn it!
Oh my god!
Yum yum. Bacon.
It's clearing up enough to know.
Mm.
You gotta get your stuff.
Well guys, that's gonna be the end of my video, so bye.